Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Today we will discuss about the Youth VN Assembly Program 2025 in Amsterdam. So this Youth VN Assembly, hosted by the Center for Diplomatic Advancement, is a global platform for students and young professionals to develop skills in education, diplomacy, policy making, and sustainability. It empowers future leaders with knowledge, networks, and tools to drive meaningful change. So this will be held in Amsterdam, Netherlands from September 19 to 23rd, 2025. You have still 64 days remaining to apply for this Youth Free and Assembly program. The program objective are empower youth leaders, foster international collaboration, enhance leadership and advocacy skill, promote youth-driven solutions, expand diplomatic network. So the eligibility criteria is you must be between the age of 18 to 45 years, open to students, professionals, activists, and young change makers from all fields. Must show commitment to leadership, innovation, and creating a positive impact. Should be able to communicate effectively in English. You must be available to attend in Amsterdam from September 19 to 23rd, 2025. And there's no specific academic or professional background is required to apply for this program. Total of 350 scholarship seats are available. 100 fully funded scholarship, 150 partially funded, and 100 assembly pass are available. So to avail any one scholarship out of the above mentioned, applicant will have to submit application for a fully funded category. So selection and application process, online application submission firstly, then shortlisting and review your application, final selection and result announcement will be on 15 July 2025. So for fully funded seats, you must have to apply for a scholarship that will include your airfare, coverage, shared accommodation, visa support, summit letter, summit assist and merchandise, speaking opportunity and graduation certification. And you have to pay $16 to apply for this fully funded scholarship. And for invitation letter, $125 you have to pay. For self-funded, $899. For assembly access, $449. And you can explore this website more. And frequently asked questions, you can also check it. So why is there a fee? The fee helps ensure that applicant come from serious candidate and allowing us to efficiently review and assess their submission application. So you can explore this website. I'm going to apply for this program for fully funded category. Click on it, register now, apply now. So this is the application form for this fully funded category. You can apply for this conference by putting your personal information data here: first name, last name, email address, your nationality, date of birth, your country of current residence, phone number, your social media link, and your organization institution website, official occupation. Then go to next option. So firstly you have to complete this all information, then you can go to next option and put your other information, and after that you can pay your application fee, that is $16, and then you can submit your application form. So if you want to attend this conference in Amsterdam, so apply on this conference and also share this video with your other friend and circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.